Techlan was developed back in 2009. We recover waste release liners from the composite sector, which we bring into our site in Swansea, which we recycle under the circular economy model, which allows it to be reused back into different industry sectors. With circular economy, you need a lot of input from the supplier. They need to put resources to it and they need to give it backing. Otherwise, it won't work. There's a lot involved with the circular economy system, whereas GTS put resources to it. They could see the opportunity, and now we have two Welsh companies working together, leading the way.
At GTS, we make flexible laminates and circuits for various industries, mainly electronics, automotive. Techlan are a supplier of a release liner that we use. It's been a waste product for us over the years. The arrangement with Techlan is that we no longer send the product to landfill. They clean it and they then send it back, so it makes the product reusable. It makes us proud that we can be world leaders, if you like, in what we do in general, but also in some of the environmental aspects that we're trying to bring.
Techlan wouldn't exist without innovation. We are the first company in the world to be actually doing this and creating this technology. It wasn't easy developing our solution, and we actually spent nearly 5 years in R&D developing this. It was a real challenge, but we had plenty of support from the Welsh Government during that process, from innovation vouchers, smart grants. We've just had an approval on another circular economy fund, which will allow us to buy an additional cleaning line and additional conversion line. So we're now going to double our capacity within the next 4 months. What we do at Techlan is scalable, and it can be applied all around the world and in different industry sectors as well. We can't continue to consume natural resources at the rate that we are. We are in a climate emergency. We have a solution here that can be applied to a very difficult waste across a number of different industry sectors. And it feels good to be part of that, to provide in a solution with a perfect circular economy model. Circular economy is being talked about on the G20 agenda. It's a real driving force now within sustainability. And here we have two Welsh companies already doing it.